What is the best time to open your trade in order to make money safely? 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes? Now I will answer you in this video. But first I want to remind you that BoosterBot has its own Telegram channel, where you can find free promo codes that will increase your deposit. And you can also find statistics of the best currency pairs to make money with BoosterBot. This information is updated every day, so be sure to subscribe to BoosterBot's Telegram channel and get a lot of useful gifts for your trading. Though first you need to customize the platform for trading. For this you need to select Japanese candlesticks and then select 15 seconds S15. And for your convenience you need to click on the show timer button, and then you will have a countdown to the close and opening of a new candle. The platform is set up, and let's now start with 1 minute expirations. Going to BoosterBot, click on Get New Signal, select the Euro-Dollar currency pair as I have it set up on the platform, and I get a sell signal. I open my sell trade right from here. And what is expiry minute? It's 4 15-second candles. It's not a lot of time for the trade itself, but you can make money very quickly for those risks. Such a trade, such an expiry time suits those traders who like to make money quickly and not waste their time. For example, you can open 15 trades in half an hour and make money very quickly, while everyone else will open only 2 or 3 trades in half an hour. I made $1,100 on that trade, but as you can see, the price traveled a very short distance. So in 1 minute, I only made money on -2 pips. That's not much of a difference, and it's quite a risky way to do it. But for those guys who are ready to take risks and are not ready to waste their time, this is a great way. Now let's look at the 3-minute expiry. I choose 3 minutes and leave the candles at 15 seconds. I'm going to stay on the Euro-Dollar currency pair again. I now choose 3 minutes of expiry and get a sell signal again. I open my sell trade right from here, and as you can see, now the close point has moved a little bit to the right, and now I have more time for the analysis to work. 3 minutes is suitable for traders who are not ready to take a lot of risk but still want to make money relatively quickly. In the same 30 minutes you can open about 10 trades, and the best thing about 3 minutes is that you can take away a very large difference in pips. If in 1 minute your price will pass a very small price segment, then in 3 and 5 minutes your price can go a very long way, and accordingly your trade and your deposit will be safe. And by the way, at 1 minute of expiry, you need to be near the chart and watch it so that everything is according to the plan. At 3 minutes you can get distracted, look at your phone, mind your own business, and just trust the BoosterBot. I will remind you that the statistics of this bot from 85 to 93% of positive deal, so you can open your trade for 3 minutes and just walk away from the computer. From this trade I also earn $1,100, but now pay attention to the way the price has traveled from this value to this one. That's -24 points, the entire movement. So this trade is not so risky and I can be more calm for my deposit. And now let's test 5 minutes on the same currency pair on the Euro-Dollar. Nice downward movement, but let's see what the BoosterBot tells me. I choose 5 minutes in the bot, and again I get a sell signal. Good downward movement, so I just open my trades on the trend. And now in 5 minutes I can walk away from the computer altogether and come back in 5 minutes and see where the price is going to be. 5 minutes is suitable for people who don't like to watch the chart and don't like to waste their nerves. You open your trade and calmly go about your business while the chart goes somewhere in the background. If in the case of 1 minute you need to be constantly present in the chart to find the best entry points, then at 5 minutes you just open a deal and forget that you have it open at all. And further on in this video, I'll show you how you can determine which expiry time is best to use under certain time frames that are on the chart. Another good trade brings me $1,100. And as you can see, in a low volatility market, when there is no volume, A 5-minute expiration time works very well, and now let's see what is the best time to choose for a certain market. To do this, I will need the TradingView service. When you go to this service, all you need is a free subscription. You need to go to the indicators and write volumes here. You select the most common volume, and now you can see the second chart below, which shows the volumes on the market. When the volumes are very high or when the volumes are just growing, you need to open your trade for 1 minute expiry. Now you can see an example of good big volumes in front of you from below. On that kind of volume, I would work on a 1 minute expiration. As soon as the volumes start to drop a little bit, then you can safely move to 3-minute expirations. But when there is no volume at all, when the volumes are very small, you can clearly see it in these very places. Here I would work at 5 minutes of expiry because the volume is very small and it takes a very long time for the analysis to work. Let's take an example. The price comes from somewhere above, enters the level, and you and I enter on the rebound. From this level, the bot sees a good situation where price can go down. And just at this moment, if the volumes are high, we go down for 1 minute. If the volumes are falling or decreasing, then we go down for 3 minutes. If there are no volumes at all, then we should open a deal for 5 minutes of expiry. This tool in the form of volumes will help you a lot when choosing the expiration for the current market moment. All you need to do is to use the booster bot, use the TradingView site, and then you will be able to read the market like a real professional trader without any technical knowledge. Personally, my favorite time frame is the 3-minute expiry. And let me open another trade for 3 minutes on another currency pair. British pound, Japanese yen, expiry time 3 minutes. And I get a sell signal. I open my sell trade right from here. And as you can see, there's a very good downward movement on this currency pair, and the price is now locked in a sideways movement. But after this movement, you can expect a good downward movement. The British pound, the Japanese yen, as you can see, really volumes are dropping a little bit, and that's the reason why it's better to open at 3 minutes expiration. Great, that trade made me $1,300. And as you can see, in order to make money with the booster bot, you just need to determine your best expiry time. For me it's 3 minutes, for someone it's 5 minutes, but for you it can be even 1 minute expiry. If you're just starting to trade, I suggest you try 1 minute open first. First, I suggest you open 10 1-minute trades, then 10 3-minute trades, and then open 10 5-minute trades. This way you will realize the best expiry time for you personally. Well, and also the second tip is to use the volumes and see what is happening in the market now. If the volumes are up, it means that there are a lot of traders in the market and the analysis is working very fast. If the volumes are falling, it means that there are no traders on the market at all, and it is necessary to increase the expiry time in order for the analysis to work well. If you still have any questions after this video, please write to the support account where they will gladly help you and answer all your questions. I will leave all useful links in the description and in the attached comment. And this is where I'll say goodbye to you. See you soon.